someone in your friends or families has ever told you कि बेटा जिम तो जा रहे हो स्पोर्ट्स कर रहे हो बट प्रोटीन पाउडर मत लेना उससे किडनी खराब हो जाती है. This is the most common thing I deal with on everyday basis. And trust me, if I had 1 rupees for every time I heard this, I would have owned my supplement company by now. But jokes apart. Hi, I'm Koral Shah, a sports nutritionist and founder of Bite to Win. And today, let's actually break this down and understand the science behind it. Where did it come from? How much truth is there? Where and how much of the protein powders actually make sense? And where to get it from? So, a few months back, a 17-year-old footballer came to me for a counseling with his mom. He was very happy and excited, but his mom was a little worried and tense. So during the counseling, she told me कि मैम कोच ने तो बोला है प्रोटीन पाउडर लेना है बट मुझे डर लग रहा है कि किडनी ना खराब हो जाए. And honestly, this is most Indian households worry right now. Whenever someone wants to start a gym or wants to play a sport, they will happily serve you 3 more parathas. But the moment you say protein powder, suddenly kidney will be in a little worry. So let's break this down, understand this in simple. So basically, your body has three major energy storage forms, that is protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Now, talking about fats, your body storage for fats is unlimited. Whatever you give extra, your body quietly and happily stores it. Now, talking about carbohydrate, the storage is limited. Carbohydrates are converted into glycogen and it is stored in liver and muscles. Once that fills up, your body will convert this excess carbohydrate into fats because fat storage is unlimited. Now, talking about protein, protein is a bit different. Your body storage for protein is even smaller. Majorly, your proteins are stored in your muscles. So, when you train more, build more muscles, so eventually your body's protein storage increases slightly. But beyond that, beyond what is required, your body does not like to store. So, this excess protein is not stored and is thrown out of your body. Now, who does this throwing job? Your kidneys. So understand this. If it is occasional excess protein, your healthy kidneys can manage it and excrete that out. But if it happens again and again, day by day, month by month, your kidneys have to work harder to excrete the excess protein. So on a long-term basis, your kidneys will feel a pressure. Now, this is one of the things that no one is talking about right now. Your protein from food like dal, pulses, paneer, tofu, peas, soy, nuts, etc. takes effort to digest. Your body has to burn energies to digest it and it is slowly and naturally absorbed into your body. Now, coming to protein powders, on the other hand, they are like spoon feeding. They are already broken down, very easy to digest and absorb, almost like no effort is needed. And that's why athletes like it post training because it is quick and it reaches to your muscles faster. But this also means that if someone abuses it or takes it extra on a regular basis, your kidneys will feel overloaded faster. And you know what the real problem today is? Today's market is flooded with supplements. And you can't trust every brand. There are many delivery products mixing fillers, and some of them, actually, many of them are not even pure protein powders. And that can harm your bodies much more than protein itself. So if you are ever buying protein powders, buy it from trusted companies, check for authenticities and do not fall for cheap products. Because I believe that your body is much more important and valuable than your money itself. Now there's a reason it is called as a supplement. Imagine you're sitting for an exam, the examiner gives you the main answer sheet. You fill this up first, and only after that, if you need more space, you ask for a supplementary sheet. Now, not everyone needs this supplementary sheet. For most, this main answer sheet is enough. Protein powders works in the same ways. Your main answer sheet is your regular food like dal, pulses, curd, paneer, cheese, nuts, seeds, grains, etc. If your diet meets your protein needs, you don't need this extra supplementary protein scoops. But if you train a lot, have a higher needs, or your food cannot meet your higher needs, that's when protein powders becomes your supplementary sheet. But remember, it is still a supplementary sheet. It can help you complete your answer, but it cannot replace your main sheet. So now let's sum it up once and for all. Protein powders do not spoil your kidneys, misuse, excess, and feed products does. Supplements are not magics, they are your supporting actors, but your real heroes will always remain in your balanced diet and regular foods. So the next time someone tells you कि protein powder मत लेना उससे kidney खराब हो जाती है, send them this video. And if you have liked and gained any knowledge out of it, like this video, share this video with your friends, and do let me know in the comment section. This will help you to bring more contents like this for you. This is Back to Win signing off. Stay happy, stay healthy, train harder, recover faster.